Hello everyone, this is Hussain from Latif Basic Export LLP Bhagalpur, India, and today I am going to show you the hand dyeing process of yarn. So, this is the indigo color which is dipped into the hot uh, dye, and this is how they to spread the color eventually everywhere. They keep on rotating it. The water is not so boiled. कितना टेम्परेचर होगा इसका? 40 degree. So water is about 40 degree, and so these are the colored dyed yarn. And the yarn color is decided by the shade card, which has all the different shades. These are the shades with the number, the shade number. As you can see, in all the color, the shade number is mentioned. So as per the request from the buyer, we get the color number, and then we dye this according to the color number. So right now we are dyeing for 323. This is the color, and here's the yarn, the dyed yarn. Once the yarn is dyed for the first time, we match the color, and if the color fits, then well and good, it is dried. And if it is not, it doesn't matches the shade, it is again dipped with the color to make the color correct. The color used, the dye used here is azo free, and which is the basic norm, and these are like the chemical are azo free chemicals. Once these are the dyeing is completed, we put this into for dyeing for drying. So I will show you how we dry. So these are some of the yarns which are already dyed, and these are in drying process. So these are not directly put into the sunlight, so because the color may vary. So this, you can see the color of the yarn. This is mulberry silk, and this is used for knitting and all purposes, crocheting purposes. See the color, the chocolate, peach color. The indigo is in process. So many people ask question like, why do you uh, boil the color, or why do you cook the color? The reason behind this is just that once the color is boiled, the chances of getting fade is very less. So this is what you call boiled. The color is once cooked or boiled, and then the dyeing is done. These are some other colors which is dyed right now. Such a lovely color. is another. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share. If you have any comment, query, please write down in the comment section. I will try to answer you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.